So you've run a scan and you've got a bunch of findings. Now what? Let me show you exactly how to read, filter, and organize everything Parallax gives you. After a scan finishes, this is what you see, your findings table. Each row has the severity, what was found, which tool caught it, and a quick description. Findings come in 5 severity levels. Critical and high, those are your priority. Deal with those first. Medium should be on your radar. Low and info are good to know, but not urgent. See these filter buttons up top? Click any of them to focus on just that severity level. The search bar lets you find specific things by keyword, and you can click any column header to sort. Here's a really useful feature. Click on any finding to expand it. You can add your own notes right there. Whatever you write gets saved and shows up in your reports too. Now you know how to work with your results like a pro. Subscribe for the next video where we turn these findings into a clean PDF report. Like and comment. I'll see you there.